Welcome to Monday, October 12th, pre-market video. We're looking at the Dow and the 60-minute chart right now. You said this retracement of the Thursday afternoon. On Friday, you know, everything just went very bullishly, if you want. So this is what the charts looks like, and we are very close to making new high now. And if you remember, just at the beginning of last week, we're talking about a reversal. It did happen, and now we'll see what will happen this week. But getting close to this resistance level, and we should go through it if it's like most last moves. You know, if you look at all the bounce after pullback, came back, made a new high right here. So we'll see how we work this one as well. Pretty similar thing for the QQQ and the SPY. Okay, let's go to the oil. I just covered that actually a week ago. If we get a breakout, and this morning pre-market, it looks like it is going again. So you know, it could be the start of a run. We'll see, or just a little bounce up. But I think, you know, gapping $2 the barrel is a good thing. Now let's look at this stock. You know, we're up 100% on this one, and you know, some of you might not have been able to build a position there and get back into it. But I did talk about it around 19, 20 cents. On that, you would be up 50%. But I did initially post it that day at about 13 cents when it started, if you remember that. Came back hard, so you know, it was an intraday trade. When you see momentum like that, you know, you have to take some profit. Then it pulled back, and what happened here when it consolidates is really what make the difference for traders. That's where you will make most of your money, is buying. And that you need to do some research, you need to understand what you're doing. But if you buy in a stock that seems like it's moving because you've got big volume like this, and you see it you know, basically going sideways, you can see that there is definitely buyers, because every time there's big volume, moves up, and then they pull back, they let it go down again, you know, pulls back down. Because put yourself in the shoes of a large fund. They want to take a position. What they want to do is they want to do it slowly. Okay, they don't want to move the market to 50 cents. So they try to shake out the market. And you need to be able to read that so that you can make money with them. And that's what's happening with FLX right now. We're up 100% on that one. It's a Canadian stock. That's a good trade. And you'll see we'll follow FLX, but on that point right now, we'll move to the other stock. WTWO stayed in the same range as from Thursday's range on Friday. So, and then it tried to finish a bit higher, but was not able to do it. And on lower volume. So that's it. WTAR about the same thing, pulled back. Now I can tell you what I'm doing. I'm buying slowly here, but don't, you know what, we already have a good position right here. This was a bad day for us in the sense that I expected it to really explode, did not do it. A lot of churning, so I took some of the position off as I was seeing that happening. Then on this right now, we'll see where it position itself, but we could probably start rebuilding a position. I did at the end of the day Friday buy some, so we'll see, you know, if we can build ourselves an average of 7-8 cents. And when I say building an average, is you need to buy at different levels, and then at some point you go very aggressive, and that will give you an average price. So we'll see where it goes, this stock right now. So that's it for now. I'll keep you posted on that one. MDOR going sideways, nothing to say really. AWSL is pulling back still, but you know, we'll see if the 50-day moving average will have an impact on it, so watch it. FORC, I just keep it because it's an oil play, and we'll see if it has any reaction to what's happening with the oil this morning, so we'll see that. WDRP, I'm covering it just because I'm seeing this type of probably reversal type pattern. Not a big volume, but we'll see. We need to have big volume. And if you remember, that day was like 20 million shares of volume. And it traded well. Intraday, we had about 75% gain. Now, if it can go again, that could be great. We just need to watch this right here. 60-minute chart, you know, probably ready to pop. So just watch it, okay? MSBT. And when I say just watch it, just make your own decision on what's happening intraday. I'm just giving you some clues here, so you have to act on it yourself. MSBT is consolidating. It's getting tighter and tighter, so that's good. We'll see if we'll get a, maybe if we go over that, around 20.5. If we go over that, maybe with big volume, it could be a buy after 2-3 days of, you know, going down or pulling back. Now it's it's pretty, it's a, how you say that? It's high compared to where it started, right? So we need to be careful, because if you take a position and it doesn't have the power to go, you know, much higher, it might turn, you know, into a very quick trade. Okay, so you need to be careful for that. And then SCLX, maybe there's another shot here. We'll see this move, you know, on big volume on Thursday, and then Friday just, you know, not much happening, but like someone is buying right here, like it did right here, right? And then it's pulling back. So you want to watch these type of pattern. Now I just want to finish with this one. This one is ugly, really ugly. That's scary. The thing, sometimes when you see these type of intraday collapse, if you're aggressive, that's where you make a lot of money. But you know what? That's risky. It's not for the beginners. When you see that happening, you can be pretty sure. I remember trading a stock back in 06. Stock went from 145 to 65 cents on the open on not much, and I made close to $100,000 just buying it and then flipping it in about half an hour. And it was a pretty sizable position. The stock was very liquid. I was oil deal back in 06. And I did it because I knew, you know, it was just, you know, being decimated. So as soon as you put some bid at some point at these levels, it bounced back. And you had to look at the whole pattern. Don't do it just, you know, for no reason. You know, you need to see some support. You need to have some other indication that it could be the point where it stopped. And then when you do it, then it bounced back like elastic. So that's it for today. We should have a good week today, this week, sorry, and we'll be there for tomorrow, Tuesday. Thanks a lot.